Welcome to the future of work. In 2026, AI skills will be the key to unlocking your dream developer job. But what skills will employers be looking for? Let's dive into the top programming languages for AI development. Python is the clear winner, with 74% of developers using it for AI projects. But that's not all. TensorFlow and Keras are also in high demand for deep learning tasks. So what's the best way to get started with AI development? Online courses, anyone. Udemy, Coursera, and edX offer a wide range of courses on AI and machine learning. But don't just stop at courses. Build a portfolio that showcases your skills. Network with other developers, attend conferences, and participate in hackathons to stay ahead. And don't forget to stay up to date with the latest tech trends and breakthroughs. In conclusion, getting a developer job in 2026 with AI skills requires dedication and hard work.